for ha attention TV. Me ma obi bia akwa. Na otwi mu ene wo hwe nua be ma funny face and cow chicken chese. Na obehu no media no so no na okura nwoma bi odutua na no so. Unim say ye ntampi o, say ye George o, say ye den yo. Chese na o ma threaten. A o ma de akosi medical fo nyina so. Chese ohu medical obeku no physical an we sie no. I way and a funny face. Edina Sam a copy ex-president Kufuor Eso. Say a Kufuor every mano. I sense so your fresh ninty. I was here for Mama Yenti funny face in the mass member.
But the difference between bipolar and tripolar, Mama, you are Momo Chenom Cotton Boss. Don't echoes one abundant for trade. As some papa. Baya. Now you are good be any tune. Eh, funny face. Classmate, Medita, you would have put the end of this slow. But many Vanessa Babak, Vanessa Pen, Miss Pen, Vanessa Baba could be coming, Vanessa Baba could be coming. But some mamma, I'm back. Now, my mamma, my young man back. We will cry governors a coming. It's a year. Ye more dinner didn't call. And to call you, big grandmother, I may 5 years, my grandma miss, sir. Ama, it is so beautiful. I mean, you know me soon. Bibi atuncha ya Batman di makuma man no do me oba papa bi say ya Batman anyway ama ya Batman papa sin to be told ya Batman is far better than you ya Batman is a virtuous woman na mean the genesis catching what me di no mo o be jam with prison o jam what time I bounce me visa we say we are getting ya Batman jam o jam with prison no face that go to me PS my fresh boy ya Batman jam prison crowd dan ya boy ya okay. Free people am busy me do che doggy stop kwa mama ya no mama dog ya wo so etwe wo to kakra ya ho fe Vanessa ya ba to ho fe esen when the truth be told or son waso ne to so wo du ne to wo fe wo to de kwase ya so bi asha wo to abo bi edi Kumasi boys ya Vanessa you do 3,038 million thousand shatabando hour abua we shatabando wo kan nya me boni balance mo ni don let be twa don let class on nya me don you miss e can say go me start here my don let me here and don let to ma me che kwase abit abua e da me buy don let to ma fie wo go try on Facebook say take time for my daddy when it happens don't give him pressure other that it will go far don let to ma me che kwase I want to go far I've come back home. Hey Franklin John. Hey Franklin Leonard. Onya to me wa Franklin who feel London by fact my own research Franklin hey e ba me saying that's a mama 4,000 Ghana say farmer me front on data time here comedy show ni we am me say on our president Kufuor say family refie na on chemiska president Kufuor that is na me show e me yasin kita wi but that one say na me church or yare ni mu church one say me can say I follow the story and yare say that bipolar hey that put so here Kim in my day they come cover giant. Oh yeah, me do. Giant. That is hard with you, isn't it? So warfare. We are TikTok president who is sick. Is who share man no much chance and all that. We didn't know. The very president and you come over. Oh yeah, me do. Do me around there. I got say, I don't want to say, Kufuor do. I don't want to say president do how. No, yeah, by the way, and you joke I'm here. That way, Fanisa about damn joke. Fanisa, you know, as I say, if I'm with you, we buy metro about damn joke in Kwana. That was that almost. And that was an eye as a Catholic. I would have asked a Saga. And if buy whoop your reason, I say, that we have them. I would do not know about them. Yafu, Kuma. Liberation for the people, Jara, Stafara. Napo. No, I say come then. I see I'm Napo Mammy Trek. Who was your vice president there? Stay out of Kwame Nkrumah's issue. He's our legend. On that note, Baumia, Mahama, the two of you call me. As I'm Kwambeji Mama, if you're not quiet president, Professor Man Kakata free. A damn giving discussion when a damn call. Be a mammy Trek. Hey, me if sorry. Hey, Amay, on that let me end well. Vanessa, I want you back. Babe, I'm sorry. I'm a member. You see. I know what you know. Bit my Bahama, they be Tenefia, meet me the Hanama, bit my far building, Cassina. We met in a single, my single, we were top work. Why? We met in Anna, who named Kwananua. No, school, Papa, and Kazi school, I'm calling you. I want Galaxy International. on Lincoln. Amai, Kimbele Papa is the children president. Kimbele Papa is the children president. That's it. Stepfather is the children president. But you can't the globe go me adopt Asida. I come in my Asida, daddy loves you. I'm sorry, whatever that is going through. But when you grow up, girls, you come to understand that he fought bipolar. It's not an easy thing. Read about Abinako when girls grow up and read about Joy Jones. Yes, they are sexually active when they are bipolar. Only do you have one more trim on live TV. I mean, then the papa then they become verbally abusive. It is to aggressive. I'm the Fabiaco will be a con. You may won't be our. Me Fabian will be true and I'm a trim. And then, yeah, verbally abusive may yell. Now, girls, when you grow up, where be a friend in medical, bonny dear, we are tough for. You are tough upon home joining in cheer to us. You from medical man, check. I don't difference of money come up one. I want for back a trust with you. As I'm to go to the tree. I will be trust. I want my wife back. I want my children back. And I'll be happy. And I'll be the greatest comedian again. And I'll accept to be the children president again. Senya sadia ene meshi wi ya na mewu bazan me wonti obi ama metwe ba mewu no me medical na beko medical read about bipolar everything I'm saying I'm aware and I'll kill you true what me kun ma tinte so e go dead body so e go tinte so ya ma te go fi you why ever me am pa na ever mami am pepe mi am te so
and funny face ne numa sem ni na no ne oka efa ex president Midi Ede Fatima, aha attention TV. Makram.